Oh, it's on my teeth. Hey, what's up, spooky fam? Yes, there's still a glare in that photo, and there will be until I change it out. Today's video is going to be a video that was requested by Kelly on Instagram, and I will be showing you how I achieved this look right here. Hello, it's me from the future. I forgot to draw those little leaves on my face, so there will be a tutorial within a tutorial. I'm sorry. So let me just start by saying, yes, I know my face is like incredibly red. I just did another look. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see my fun looks. But yeah, it stayed my face. So why not just go do it again? So I made this flower crown. I also made that flower crown back there, and I made this leaf crown, which I did another look on my Instagram on. And this one is the one that you guys liked the most when I did my look with this, because it was really pouty, it was really cute, it was really like Valkyrie inspired, and I really enjoyed it. And so did you guys. So I'm gonna do this tutorial style. I'm not gonna talk very much because I'm watching Friends. So if you guys end up doing this look, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram. And that was Troy coming online on Xbox. Hello, Troy. I will do the best I can at explaining what I'm doing because I am not like an official beauty guru or anything. So before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate it. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I've been saying this, and I will keep continuing to say this. It was a personal goal of mine to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would help me out in that, doing that in, you know, The first thing that I'm going to do is start with my Wet n Wild Pink Pot, which is my favorite thing in the whole world. I literally use it for everything. If you hear noises, it's my cats. And sorry, it happens in every video. You guys should know by now. So I'm gonna go ahead on my oval brush and just coat my entire face and a little bit down my neck. So now that I look like a mime, you can probably hear my cat eating dry food in the background. I'm very sorry. You know they like to disrupt my videos by now. So since I really centered this look around orange, it looked more yellow in the pictures, but I didn't, like a lot of the oranges that I have in my palettes come out looking either really dull or more on the red side, and I didn't want that for this look. I wanted a more like true bright orange. So I'm using my Laura Lee Party Animal palette, the shade Dranks. The orange here is probably the most true orange that I have in my collection. So on like a fluffier brush here, I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the detailing all over my face. I'm not gonna describe it too much because you'll see what I'm doing. So, oh, I will say that everything is going to be starting off in like a patting motion and then blending it out. Camera is not in focus. I'm very sorry. I'm also eating cheese, so I'm very sorry to my bowels too. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your life.
won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm catching on to you.
Lips look tragic. Oh my goodness. Cool, no chapstick. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, so now that I'm done with that for now, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, which I'm really growing to love. I'm going to go in, I believe I used the shades Happy and Warm to just kind of do an eye.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't.
Oh my god, I always do that. So really quickly with my foil eyes, my BH foil eyes palette, I'm gonna use this orange right up here to highlight my face. And I actually used this brush yesterday and it was phenomenal. You guys probably can't even see how good that looks. So I quickly, oh, I'm eating pretzels. That was gross. So I quickly went ahead and threw on some brows. I'm gonna put a wing on really quick with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, my favorite. So do whatever kind of wing you desire. I did a pretty extreme one last time. I don't think I'm gonna go as extreme today, but my lashes are pretty extreme. So.
The media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. The world's on fire, how about...
We know they're not twins, they're always sisters, they hardly ever match. Come on girl, we've been on YouTube for 2 years now, we know this. Anyways, I'm going to go back in and darken up my lower lash line with the shades Warm and Smooth. These make me feel kind of sexual, I'm not gonna lie.
Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yep, what a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change.
The step that I did was to put dots all over my face, like little freckles. So I'm gonna do that, but I also put glitter on my face, like little glitter freckles as well, but I'm not going to do that today because I just don't want to deal with the glitter. Thank you.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go.
Doing this with the hiccups is the worst idea. Oh my god.
Only shooting stars break the mold.
Really quickly, I'm gonna pop on my massive lashes. I've showed you guys these before. I got them on AliExpress. I thought I was getting 1 pair, but I got 10. So I'm gonna pop those on and then I will do lips because I think this is all that I really did. Well, hello, it's the next day and you probably have noticed there's nothing on my face, and that's because I am a dumbass bitch who realized that like a look I created, I did not even like I'm so dumb. So a lot of you are probably here for like the cute little leaves on my eyes, and that's what I forgot to do. Here I am like, bitch, I didn't do anything else to my face. No, you're good, you're fine, you're Gucci, you're Gucci. And we were not Gucci, we were like Versace. Since it was really quick to do, I'm just gonna do a quick little tootception, a tutorial within a tutorial. If I can find my products. because I quickly want to show you guys what I did, and it was so easy. So all that I used was my Wet n Wild paint pot, my Wet n Wild mega liner, and where did I put it? A couple of greens from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is actually butchered. So that's what we'll do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw the leaf shape on first, and then we'll go from there. I'll zoom you in. That's convenient. So just start off with a line, and like you want to kind of taper it off as you go down, because that's gonna be like the inside like stem, if you will.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
Rin is literally shaking my table, licking herself right in front of me, and can you not? Like, this is disrespectful.
Just me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop and the man on the jukebox. And
So there you go, just a cute little leaf. So you want to let that dry before you put the white over it, because like obviously you're gonna draw over it again, but like there's your guide, okay? Like super easy. Take my white on a little lip brush, and I'm just gonna fill in. It doesn't matter if it's very dark, you just need a little bit of a base for the color to pick up, so it picks up the color. So just really quickly with a couple of like tinier, they're not very fluffy like packing brushes, I'm just gonna go in with a dark green at the base and just pack it on. Like I'm not blending, I'm just packing. And then just kind of fade it out to like the brighter greens. If I had a better camera, trust me, you guys would be like, oh wow, bitch. Still using my phone till after my birthday. There you have it, folks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't ever say that again.
Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love.
So these bottom lashes are just like the ends that I cut off of the top lashes because they're too long, so I just use them as bottom lashes. So I'm gonna pop on 1 second. So this was the lip that I wore. It's the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Summer Fruit. I thought it was more orange than it was. Didn't mind how it ended up, but I'm not a fan of glosses. However, this one did not like smear, did not like, ugh, it's really sticky though. Excuse me, I am not a lady. This did not get all over my teeth, so I mean, I'm not that mad with this stuff.
Like Adderall, she like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me, and that's
That was way more satisfying than I thought it would be. Wow. Okay. So this is the final look. If you guys end up recreating it, please don't forget to tag me in all of your looks. I would love to see someone recreate this look. And that's all for me. Ooh, there's like hot glue. Oh, that's my hair. Please don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. I lied. It's getting on my teeth. Maybe it was because I didn't talk last time. Anyways, it's almost my birthday, so see ya. Ew, that's weird. Sayonara, suckers. Oh, it's on my teeth.